What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. About to look on the price on the market to see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Yesterday we had that FMOC meeting. Let's see if I was right or if I was wrong or that. We're about to check on our positions to see whether they're going down, up, sideways. Anyways, so you guys can compare with your positions. We also on the same page, we're also going to look at prices in details, just like we do every day. Like I told you guys, it's very important for you to do that because it helps to make trade decisions. It helps to, if you can kind of predict what the price is going to do, okay, you can make either taking profits, or opening a long or adding to your margin. So there's a lot of things you can do if you can see what the price will do in the short future. Okay, something like that. It's not that you can see it, but you kind of try to predict it. Okay, that's why we look at the prices in details almost every day. I do that 3 or 4 times a day, something like that. Although I'm not a day trader. I trade based on support. I trade based on support and resistance. Anyways, that's what we're about to do today. Well, before we get to that, guys, I know I've said it before, but I will say it again. 99% of people trading right now, if you're trading crypto, 99%, or let's say 99.9% of people trading crypto right now will lose. And when I mean trading, I mean it doesn't have to be on leverage. People trading on spot, people trading on leverage, because there is something like it is just part of mankind. Okay, it's part of our behavior. We always want more and more, instead of just setting, you know what, when price gets to when position gets to this price, I'm taking profit. When we get here, I'm taking profit. Some people, like not some people, almost everybody, oh, if it could get to $1, man, it will get to $2. If it can get to $2, yeah, it will get to $10, something like that. And they keep on holding until literally they are left holding the hot potato, literally, something like that. Excuse me. And that attitude is what kind of makes 99.9% of people lose. You see the money go up, you get there, but you don't take profits because to you, you're expecting something else. Here in this my millionaire journey, I think I always tell you guys, okay, we got this. Like for example, let's take Casper. I'm trading Casper on both leverage and on spot. Okay, I will not sell my Casper. Trust me, I'm only gonna sell like 100,000 plus whatever my miners make, plus the leverage position that I got. I'll close it. Now, see this. Me, for example, Casper, I'm projecting Casper to be at $10. It does not mean that I'm going to sit on my hands either $10 or nothing. No. What I'm doing, okay, like I say, I'm always explaining what I am doing. It's up to you to do the same or do something else, because this is not financial advice. But what I am doing, as you can see, I am tracking Casper's price every day. I'm tracking it. And yeah, that means I am also monitoring the entire market, not just Casper. I'm looking at what Bitcoin is doing, what Ethereum is doing, what the shitcoin Solana is doing, like what everything is going on. What's the sentiment around us? So we track it. So if we get, let's say next year, for example, and we are there after August, September, October next year, Casper is still at $5. Bitcoin is up there at 160,000 or 170,000. Guys, I will close my position and I will take my profits, because that means that the price that I'm expecting is not going to happen. Instead of being stubborn and you see that the entire market is about to go down and yet you don't take the profits. That's what I mean. Perfect example, Quant. Okay, with everything going on with Quant, I predict, and I think, not that I think, I know. If everything falls in place the way it is designed, Quant supposed to be above $5,000, way above it. Okay, the same thing. I will monitor the market. If we see that the bull run is almost over with, and Quant is not near close to $5,000, whatever price that it is, okay, I will close my leverage positions and I'll take my profits from it. Now, that does not mean like, okay, let's say we are January, February, and Casper, January, February, Casper hits $10. I'm not going to close my position because the bull run is almost just started. Understand? You keep monitoring the market. The same goes with Quant. Let's say January, February, or even March, and Quant hits $5,000. I'm not going to close my position. I'll keep it open, because the run usually be like if you start looking at everything between September to December, that's when the bull run usually be over with. So I will continue monitoring the market. Okay, more and more over it. It's another thing. There's a lot of people that are not paying attention. Okay, people are going to think like, okay, we got there and we're done. No, guys, you got to look at the interest rate. You see what the Fed just started. That is very, very important. If you get next year, November, and we are still not at zero interest rate from the Fed, guys, the market is still going to run even some more. So that's what the message I'm trying to say here is that don't be stuck in one price. Take your profits depending on what's going on around you and what the market is telling you. That's why we do this every day. We monitor the market every 24 hours. What's going on? We monitor the market every 24 hours. What's going on? What's the price is about to do? And again, I'm not worried about Bitcoin, guys. Like I said, when time comes, I will short the hell out of Bitcoin, and you guys will know. I have my schedule when it comes to Bitcoin, and that my schedule, I do not miss it, because guys, it has made me a lot of profits, and I always follow it. I will let you guys know. There's people predicting a $200,000 Bitcoin. I don't think so. I don't think it will happen. Like I said before, for me, I think Bitcoin will top out at $150,000. That's what we top out at. If it pushes it, like let's say they still try to get much money out of people, turn everybody to be bullish, and then drop the hot potato, probably 160,000. No higher than 160. I don't think it will go higher than 160. But whatever the price is, when my moment comes, I don't care what the price is. You guys already know how I trade. I will open up my position and I will scale it up. That's it. I don't care if it goes 60% negative, 80% negative. I will just scale it up, keep adding to my margin until it reverses, because that's what it's me. I don't wait for price confirmation. I follow my instinct. And guys, that has made me a lot of profits. Okay, so yeah, that's what I want to say before we go into this. Do not be like everybody else. Don't stick to one price. Always analyze the market and analyze everything going on around you. Okay, because the market might be bullish, and now they come up with another COVID-19. Guess what? Price drop. There's always unforeseen events, so that's why you have to stay alert. That's what I want to say. Look at the markets, just like I'm telling a lot of people right now. Look at Quant. Quant just confirmed a bullish reversal, and a lot of people are still waiting for $40 Quant. Okay, a bullish reversal, and a lot of people are still waiting for $40 Quant. Casper, guys, we are in phase 2 for Casper. The real Casper just started with these smart inscriptions. It's not even the real smart contract yet. This is phase 2. Like I'm telling you guys, this phase 2 is about to push Casper to probably $2 before we see any major retracement, and from there we're about to go to $10. And yet people are still waiting for a 9, 8, even 7 cents Casper. See what I'm saying? Casper, Jasmine just broke out of that falling wedge we are talking about. I've been telling you guys about, and still people are still waiting for Jasmine to go back down to 1 cent. I don't know what else to say. Okay, it's just like I'm saying, it's not financial advice, but I'm hoping that you guys who are subscribers to my channel, you see this opportunity and you see where this is going. Because in 10 months from now, a lot of people are going to come back on my videos and be like, yeah, he was saying this, this, and that. And I'll be like, I told you so. Just like I said, like, so far, point out and tell me if I've been wrong. So far, so good. Everything is moving good. Everybody, FMOC is going to crash the whole market. FMOC is going to kill the crypto. Guys, what happened? I know we're just one day. And that one day, everything is revving up the engines. We are about to have monumental money made. Monumental. I told you guys a month and a half, right? It was 3 months, but we've been chugging along. Everything is falling in place just like everything is falling in place just like I told you. Okay, again, not financial advice. I'm only telling you guys what I am doing. As full transparency, I always show you guys what I'm doing, when I'm doing, and if I'm doing it. Everything live with you guys right here. So yeah, a lot of people call me crazy for mining Casper. I'm not looking at what Casper is making right now. I'm trying to accumulate as much coins of Casper as possible. Guys, right now my KS0s and miners, they are still making me around $9 a day, $10 a day, if that's what you're looking at. But no, I'm looking for the coins because I am making over 40 coins daily. Okay, so I'm trying to pile them up, and even like when these people start building projects, I'm even gonna make even more, because on the launch of the smart contracts or smart inscription, I was making almost 300 coins. Okay, 300 coins every block. So yeah, people sit on the sideline, but yeah, I know what I hold, and I do not want to be part of that 99.9% of who are going to lose. So the question is, which part are you? Are you the 99.9? Or are you the little fraction that is left who knows what they're doing? They don't sorry about that. I mean, you don't want to be the one left with the hot potato on their hands. You're like, oh, it's too hot. But you don't know where to drop it because everybody else has taken profits, and you you left holding the bank, holding the bag. I mean, like, that's the funny part of it. Anyways, guys, it's such the life in crypto. It doesn't mean that you lose your coins, no, but it means you're going to have to wait for the next cycle. That is, if you're holding some good coins. Like, if you don't take profits on Casper, that's okay. Your profits are going to be even higher next cycle. I mean, you understand? But if you're holding shit coins, okay, and the market goes down, there's no guarantee that shit coin is going to go up again. You understand? So that is something a lot of people are not thinking of. They just like, a lot of people are not thinking of. We just have all this greed. Like, excuse me. we just have this grid, like the price is going to keep shooting and be going up and be going and be going, versus knowing like, okay, you know what, we have this expectation which has a percentage of that. Yeah, it might not happen. You understand? So watch the market, watch the prices, and watch everybody around you. That's the only thing. Those things are what you need to trade. But anyways, now let's go look at the market to see how the coins that we are trading on this my millionaire journey are doing after the FMOC meeting. Is everything, did they go down the toilet like everybody said? That's funny, man. So let's go look at King Casper, Quant, and Jasmine. Okay, let's go look at them at let's go right quick at crypto bubbles. As you can see, again, nothing is going the way you thought. So you can see, now let me go back here, go down. See, the last hour we're green, last day green, last week is still green. But anyways, now let's go look at the projects right quick. Start with King Casper, KAS, right here. For the past hour, we're down 0.28%. For the past day, up 1.5%, 3.5% up on the week, 6% up on the month, guys, and 273% up on the year. Now look at Quant, another money maker, QNT. For the past hour, we're down 0.73%. On the day, we are up 1.5%, 5.3% down on the week, 15.1% up in the month. And again, like, guys, look at the yearly. The number is even dropping. Yesterday it was like what, 20, 21. Today we are down 18.6%. Guys, this number is going to be positive very, very soon. It will turn to green because, like I told you, the bullish reversal has been confirmed. So now let's go look right now at Jasmine, another one. Like I told you guys, I was a little bit bearish, but Jasmine has, you know, changed its tide because again, the bullish momentum has been confirmed. Now look at this. For the past hour, 0.18%, 4.8% on the daily, 4.1% up on the week. Sorry, it was also 4.8 up on the day, and 0.35% down on the month, and the yearly 501% up. So guys, excuse me, looking at those numbers again, I can tell you what's happening is that price has started to take off. Let's look at that. Look at those numbers and compare them for the past 3-4 days, and you will see it has started to go up slowly. Okay, everybody's revving up the engine, and guys, the FMOC meeting is a positive thing, and guys, it's not going to take off in one day. I told you guys the beginning, like after August 5th, that was the dip everybody was waiting for. When it took off from there, and I kept telling you guys, you got 3 months. Now we have a month and a half left, and you're about to see it. Now let's go look at prices in a little bit more details right quick. Let's go to my trading view. Trading view right here. We're about to start with the king itself, King Casper. Again, guys, if you remember yesterday, we started on the 1 hour, right? You remember yesterday? I told you guys this thing was taking off. Okay, so look at this. Before the FMOC meeting, okay, everybody was bearish, and I told you guys, oh crap, let me do this again. Here, my arrow. I like this pointing arrow. Before the FMOC, I told you guys, even though the ribbon was red, it was pointing up. Okay, look at that. We broke that resistance, that major resistance we had. Remember I told you guys 17.2, we need to break above it. We broke above it. Okay, Casper is going up. Now we haven't retested it yet. I think I'm expecting Casper, the sooner we come back and retest it, the 17.2, and then take off from there, the better. Okay, if the sooner we do that, the better, because like if it goes higher and it tries to correct, what's going to happen is like price action is going to lag a little bit. But if you come right now Okay, either today, tomorrow, come back, retest it, and bounce from there, guys. That will be the ultimate bullish reaction we're waiting for. And I've been telling you guys, this thing is going up there to 40 or 50 cents. Okay, in the upcoming weeks or something like that. You're about to see it. Now, let's go on the 4 hourly right quick. I want to show you guys on the 4 hourly, and if I zoom in, look at that. Perfect. Okay, what do you think? It broke above. Now we are now inside the triangle. Inside that triangle, look, we broke above, tested one, tested two, went, there's a fake out, came back, tested again, and look at the ribbon. Ribbon is pointing upwards. Another bullish thing is look at the 200 moving average is pointing upward. So yeah, we are right in the ribbon. And guys, these KRC20 have started also to pick a lot of volume, which I will show you guys in a minute. They have started to pick a lot of volume. So yeah, prices are about to take off from here. So let's do this. You remember yesterday I was telling you guys Casper was busy forming an inverse head and shoulder, right? So look at this. Let me put this here. The first shoulder formed, the head formed. Now we are forming the second shoulder. Now once price goes above probably 18 or somewhere here, I think it's going to be probably, once price goes above 19 cents, you're about to see this thing skyrocket to probably 25 or 26 cents in the immediate short term. Okay, 25 or 26 cents. That's what you're looking at right now. So Casper did exactly what we were expecting. If you look at it on the daily, okay, let me go on the daily and then I'll zoom out a little bit. Now look, I had my lines drawn up. Yeah, my my chart is a little bit messy, but yeah, that's how I keep it. I keep my receipts, that way I can know what the price has been doing. So look at it on the daily. We broke above that important resistance, 17.2. Next resistance is going to be right here, 18.2. We had a little bit of resistance at 18.7, but that is not going to be a problem because we're going to break this and then go back to retest the all-time high at 21 cents. So now let's go look at Quant right quick, because again, I told you so. I told you Quant wasn't going anywhere. So a lot of people thought like, yeah, we was going back to $40. And when I kept telling guys, Quant is moving higher. It's going even higher than you think. So we are on the daily. Okay, I started on the daily because I want to show you guys again. Look at this. Remember I was telling you guys we needed to close above $72, right? Look at that. The bull flag, we broke out. We was forming this bull flag and the wick closed above the $72. Look at that. We broke out of the bull flag already. So the target for all this play right here is up there, $95. That's what I'm expecting Quant to climb in the upcoming weeks or even days. Because like if the stablecoin policies get announced in the different countries today, you are going to see Quant start to run like a mad dog. That's the only thing holding Quant back right now. So yeah, look at that, $95 in the immediate short term. That's what I'm expecting this thing to go in the upcoming few days or even weeks. We're about to see it go there. So like let's give it 3 or 4 weeks. That's where I'm expecting this to go. Now if you go a little bit lower, like on the 4 hour, okay, go on the 4 hour. Again, you do not need rocket science to trade, guys. You don't need that. Just look at your indicators. Look at the moving ribbon. We're already curving upwards. Look at the moving average going upwards. Now this was that resistance. As you can see, we kept trying to break out, but look at that, we finally broke above it and we are above the $72. So yeah, we started to go. So there's not much to be said about Quant other than just sit back, relax, and money. Money. So like look at it, look at this on the 1 hour. Look on the 1 hour. See, again, we broke above $72, which is normal. It's okay for it to come and retest, form support. Or also we can also get supported by the ribbon and start to go up again. Look at the moving average. Look at that, easily peasily and beautifully going up. Again, guys, you got to pay attention to these things. Like, again, I usually tell you guys, you pay attention to this and you also look at it on the weekly, because most people don't pay attention on the weekly. On the weekly, we have broke out. We broke out, and this week it's already green. So I told you guys last week close at 72. Next week, let's go this week. Now we are green. Look at the ribbon, it's curving again. And this the target for all this right here, once we get that $95, we are about to go try that ultimate target up here, which coincides, okay, with the top of the triangle and the first Fibonacci retracement, which is $125. Guys, this thing is about to make a lot of people a lot of money, including myself. So yeah, you can sit behind and wait, or you can be part of those who are going to make this money. Okay, now let's go look at Jasmy. Let's see here, Jasmy, JASMY. Take the Binance. Jasmy, the same thing, guys. Watch. I told you guys, once we break above that falling wedge, then yeah, we own. Look at this. This is the weekly. Okay, this week we broke above the wedge and we're going up. Look at the ribbon again, doing the same thing. So yeah, I'm expecting us to break this 2.3 cents, or even try to go up to 4.5 cents very soon. Not sorry, for above once we break this 2.3 cents, we're probably going to try to take this 3.8 cents very soon. So yeah, in the upcoming weeks, we're about to see Jasmy go try the 4.5 cents. Give it 3 or 4 weeks or something like that, you are about to see. So yeah, if you go, let's go right quick on the 4 hourly. Look at that, beautiful. See, Jasmy broke out, came back. Okay, now above the ribbon turned green. Look at the moving average curving, ribbon curving. So yeah, we going higher. I told you this yesterday, and those of you who listen, congratulations, because right now you probably are sitting on some good gains. All right, now if you look at the 1 hour, let's see if he's taking a breather right quick on the 1 hour. Exactly, that's what it is doing. It went up, you can't go up forever. Came back, tried to retest the moving average and keep on moving. Again, the weekend is coming up and this thing is about to go even higher than that. So I normally don't trade meme coins, right? But I made an exception because I'm a Casper Maxi and you have to lead by example. So like I told you guys, I put in $700 that I put in. I was just putting in $100 here, $80 here, this here and there, and I bought like different 8 meme coins that I bought. Let's see how they're doing today. Cause like anyways, I'm just trying to see. I'm gonna hold them until the exchanges start to list them. Once exchanges start to list them, I will get rid of them. Either little amount of money made, big amount of money made. I will start just see how they perform in exchanges. Like you guys already know, I like to look at how everything is performing. Then I will sell them off. So like I told you guys, meme coins are like lottery. You might pick a good one, you might pick a wrong one. So, but the only thing that is important is that you know that you're only using money you can afford to lose. So now let's go look at that my meme coin positions. For you to do that, you need to go to Casper.fyi right here, and let's open that up. Casper.fyi. You can have a lot of information about Casper. I'm just going to paste my Casper address right there. And we gotta look right there. I don't have much Casper on my Casper. As you can see, I have 8 meme coins, 8 tokens right there. That's what I got. Okay, I got 8 meme coins, no more, no less. That's all I got. But anyways, let's see for here. As you see, oh wow, that is interesting. My nacho, I am up $243. I only put $80 in that thing. On Shadow, I'm up $99. I think I put like, what was it, $100? No, was it like what, $80, something like that? On fast, this is the one I minted. I put $10 in it. KP, I'm up $317. Wow, okay. K-Pander, I am up $183. Look at that. Bunk. Mamma mia. Bunk, I am up almost $3,000. Huh. And I only put, what, $100 in there? Wow, that's okay. That's nice. Casper, I am up, what is that? It doesn't want to let me go. Casper, I'm up $552, and there's another one down there called Test. Okay, Test is still minting. That's why you can't see the price. But yeah, as you can see, my $700 is almost $5,000. Well, let's see how it goes. Like I say, it's a lottery ticket. I don't care even if they go to zero, because all I put in there was $700. So yeah, now let's go look at my positions right quick. Yeah, let's go look at my positions. Again, I do not condone leverage trading. Okay, if you do not know what you're doing, do not leverage trade, because you can lose your money very, very fast. Okay, so now let's go look at my positions on Bydfi, in which, again, these moves coming up, you can either 5x, 10x, or even 20x your money if you know what you're doing. Use the links below. Sign up, get the deposit bonuses. Okay, once you sign up and get those, you can either follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. That part I really don't care whether you follow me or not. All I care about is for you to make money, and in 10 to 12 months from now, we will sit somewhere in Dubai and celebrate. I don't drink, but hey, I would drink my Casper coffee or probably a cup of water. Water is important. We meet up there and then celebrate. But anyways, now let's go look at my position right quick. First, we start with my Bydfi, where I put my long-term trades. Okay, Bydfi right there. Yesterday, if you guys remember, I was down. My trade was not down. I was 12,100, something like that. That's what I was. Today I am up 13,300. Amazing, huh? Told you FMOC was not going to crash the market. Look at that. That being said, you guys remember yesterday my quant, I am up today 34%, which is 2,500. And my Casper, that was yesterday, what, 6%? Today I am up 12.5%, which is almost $400. You see that the position is growing slowly and steadily. Now let's go look at my Phemex right quick. You guys already know my take profits on this one. If not, please go back to my previous video and then you can see my take profit points. Let's go back here to my Phemex. Let me sign in. Wow, see that? Yesterday I was also around $12,000, but today, as you can see, I am off 14,800. Okay, looking at my contracts, wow, I told you guys Jasmine is making move. Yesterday I was negative, I was down almost 28%. Today I am up 15%, still down, but it's 15%, which is in red, 1,700. My Casper, I am up 9%, which is $411. See, again, the Jasmine is a long term. I'm not going to touch it until we get to the price points that we talked about yesterday. If you didn't watch it, please go back and watch the video yesterday and you will see my take profit on Jasmine and the points that I'm going to monitor, not necessarily my take profit, because like I'm going to keep the Jasmine coin, this Jasmine trade for a long term. For the Casper is my short-term trade. You go back and you can see my take profit points on this particular trade. Let's go back here. There you have it, guys. Please do not be the 99.9%. Try to make money out of this hustle. And that's what I call it. That being said, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Okay, please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Please comment. I would like to know your opinion, what you think about these coins, or what you think about the market so far. And also, guys, please share this video so that other people with millionaire minds like you and I can see these videos, get inspired, share ideas with me, and we can in the community, share ideas back and forth. Okay, that being said, guys, excuse me. Please be careful out there. Okay, be careful, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.